Hey everyone, in this video we're going to review the Shakepay platform for 2022 if you live in Canada. We're going to look at the Shakepay credit card, shaking sats, and how it compares to other cryptocurrency exchanges in Canada. This is my second year reviewing Shakepay. A lot has changed in the crypto landscape over the last year after tracking 18 platforms in Canada. So we're going to look at how it compares and where the best places to buy crypto are. So let's jump right into it. Shakepay is good for several reasons and it's not great for several reasons. The first one is it's not the best place for buying Bitcoin and Ethereum as cheaply as possible. So if we look at the fees and we filter this from top to bottom, there are cheaper platforms available. Shakepay's total fee was 1.03%, which was still very good overall, fourth place, but there are some platforms that were cheaper overall once you factor in all the fees. For the selling fee, Shakepay was fifth place at 1.21%. And then also Shakepay only has 2 coins. So another reason not to use it is if you want lots of altcoins, Shakepay only has Bitcoin and Ethereum. And if we filter coins from top to bottom, you can see Shakepay is at the very bottom of this list. While other platforms have added more coins over the last year, Shakepay has stayed with just Bitcoin and Ethereum. Newton has 60 plus, Index has over 30, and so on. So if you want lots of cryptocurrencies, Shakepay is not for you. Now, what are the reasons that you should use Shakepay? First of all, it is a very beginner-friendly platform. Now, a lot of platforms are beginner-friendly, but Shakepay is definitely the easiest to use out of all of them, especially the mobile app. You can't really get confused on the app, and if you just want something that's easy to use, not confusing at all, great user interface, very intuitive, Shakepay is at the top of the list. Another reason to use Shakepay is their free crypto withdrawals. So whether it's Bitcoin or Ethereum, you can withdraw for free. If we go to the send column here and you can see the fee right here, it's free, and these are the minimums. So you do have to have a minimum of 0.1 ETH and a minimum of 0.0001 Bitcoin to withdraw, but it is free. That could be helpful for smaller investors if you're trying to send your crypto to a hardware wallet or to another exchange like Binance or KuCoin. Free crypto withdrawals are great. Another reason to use Shakepay is to earn free Bitcoin, and there's a couple ways you can do that, which is the Shakepay card where you get 1% back in free Bitcoin, 2% on the first $5,000. So we'll unpack this later in the video. And the Shakepay shaking sats is another way to earn free Bitcoin. If you use a referral link, which I'll put in the description below, you can shake your phone every day for free Bitcoin. And as you build the streak, you earn more and more free Bitcoin every day. And this is a really cool feature that I haven't seen anywhere else. So those are the reasons to use Shakepay. You can earn free Bitcoin in various ways. You have free crypto withdrawals, and it's just the easiest platform out of all the beginner-friendly options. The reasons not to use it are it's not the cheapest platform, although it is fair prices, it's not the cheapest, and you only have Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now let's go into Shakepay more in depth. But first, what are the alternatives if you want more coins and the cheapest prices? Well, after looking at all of these platforms, Newton and Index are the top choices for Canadians. 30 plus coins, Newton you get 60, and much lower fees as you can see here. Index was the lowest, Newton was third lowest. These are the spreads, these are the trading fees, and you get free Canadian deposits with e-transfer. Newton also has very cheap crypto withdrawal fees, so they charge just the network fees or mining fees, but you get $5 off. Newton eats that cost. So if you're withdrawing some coins, it will be free as well. And they are both beginner friendly. Now, Index is just offers more advanced features like staking and advanced charts. Newton just has more coins. I like the user interface better, and I like the cheaper crypto withdrawal fees. These are probably the best platforms for Canadians right now. And then if you want more advanced features, you can also make an account on Binance or KuCoin, and that'll give you access to hundreds of cryptocurrencies. And if you fund it with crypto, you won't get these high fees when you try to buy with Canadian. Just deposit crypto and you get the lowest fees in the industry, like basically zero spreads, because they are such big platforms with low spreads and high trading volume. But now let's look at Shakepay more in depth. Okay, let's first cover security. Is Shakepay, first of all, safe to use? And the short answer is yes. So they've been around since 2015. They're headquartered in Montreal. They are FinTrack regulated, so they do everything by the book. They use cold storage. They do have an insurance policy through Coinbase custody. Never had any hacks or incidents, and they do have two-factor authentication. So compared to all the other platforms, Shakepay is basically on par with everybody else. Maybe even better because they've never had a hack, unlike some of the other big platforms. And they have a partnership with Coinbase custody. So at minimum, 80% of all customer-owned digital currency is held with Coinbase custody trust. As a good measure, that's usually over 90%. So they use cold storage, and these assets are covered under Coinbase's insurance policy. Now, I know Coinbase has a $255 million insurance policy. I'm not sure if that is for Coinbase custody or not, but they do have their assets insured, which adds some protection. Now, this isn't covering if you lose your crypto or you get your account hacked. It's only if Coinbase loses Shakepay's crypto. That's what the insurance covers. So just keep that in mind. But yeah, Shakepay is safe. It passes the security test for sure. In the end, use a hardware wallet regardless. Don't hold large amounts on exchanges. That is the best practice. Now, moving on to fees, which I covered a little in the beginning. Shakepay was 1.03 as the total fee for buying Bitcoin. I opened all of these platforms at the same time. I have accounts on all of them. And within 2 minutes of each other, like as quickly as I could, I collected all the buy and sell prices. And then to get this total fee, I added the reference price difference from the price on Google. So this was the baseline. I added the trading fees, I added the deposit fees, and that's how you get this number here. Index was the cheapest. Shakepay was 1.03%, which is 4th place. For selling, Shakepay was 5th place at 1.21%. So the prices are definitely fair, but if you want cheaper options, they are available. Now these fees fluctuate daily. This is more meant to use to like compare and help you see what are the most expensive ones to probably not use and what are the cheapest ones, right? So just good to compare. And if we look at the spread from top to bottom, Shakepay was kind of more on the lower end here at 2.26% spread. That was 12th place out of 18. Moving on to funding and withdrawals, Shakepay is a great fiat on-ramp for Canadian dollars. So if we filter to deposits, Shakepay is at the bottom here. You can buy with Canadian dollars, you can hold Canadian in your account, and the options you have are Interac e-transfer and Wire, which are free. And I'll take you back to my account here to show you from the actual website, but you can do Interac e-transfer up to 10 grand instantly for free, and Wire transfer minimum 5 grand, 1 to 2 days for free. And obviously crypto deposits are free. And then if you're withdrawing, it's also good for cashing out. However, the Interac e-transfer is kind of low. For some people, it'll be up to $5,000 limit, instant free, and wire transfers minimum 5 grand, 1 to 2 days free. And Bitcoin, Ethereum withdrawals are free. However, these are the minimums. So you need 0.1 ETH minimum to withdraw. So keep that in mind if you're using it for free crypto withdrawals. These are the minimums. But overall, for funding and withdrawals, Shakepay is a great fiat on-ramp, which is on par with the top platforms. If we go to features now and coins, and we filter coins from top to bottom, Shakepay is at the very bottom of the list, only offering Bitcoin and Ethereum. So again, it is not the place for trading lots of cryptocurrencies. You only get Bitcoin and ETH. They have 5 to 10 features. They have a mobile app, which is better than their web app. On the web app, you can't use every single feature. The mobile app is fantastic though, very intuitive. They have the instant buy, no pro trading tools. However, they do have limit orders, but no advanced charts or anything like that. They do have an affiliate program, so you get $30 free when you trade $100. I'll put a link to that below. Now let's look at the Shakepay card, which is pretty awesome. So you can earn Bitcoin on all of your purchases. So right now you can earn 2% on your first $5,000, and then the regular rate after that $5,000 will be 1% cash back on every purchase that you make. I've been using this already for about a month, and if we go to my account, to use the card, you just deposit Canadian dollars into your Shakepay account like normal, and then you will, when setting up the card, you add it to your Apple Pay. So I just double click on my iPhone, it shows up like this. Then you click pay with passcode. I enter my code, and then you just hold it near the tap when you're paying for your purchases, right? Now, one of the downsides with the credit card is there's no physical card right now, and you cannot actually use it to make online purchases. So you don't have an actual credit card number that you can enter on online websites. It doesn't show you that in the Apple Pay or the website. So you can't make online purchases, and you can only use it through Apple Pay if you're on iPhone, and I think Google Pay is what it's called on Android. And if the merchant doesn't have tap enabled, you can't use it, so you don't have a card you can insert, right? So there's some instances where I can't use the card. Another thing you should know, it's a prepaid Visa, so you can't go into debt, and you have to have a balance in order to use that. Also, since you can't go into debt and it's a prepaid Visa, this does not affect your credit score. So if you're trying to build your credit, this does not affect your credit score and you can't build it. So that is a con for me. Right now, I am definitely using the Shakepay card quite a bit. If we go into here, you can see all my purchases. This is how it works. As you can see, 4 hours ago, I got some gas, and this hasn't gone through yet for the free Bitcoin. Usually it takes 24 hours to 48 hours to show up. And then if we go to my Tim Hortons purchase yesterday, $3.44, 2% back, which is 136 sats or 7 cents. And these are kind of my purchases. As you can see, I just have a lot of Timmy's runs. So they do have a giveaway right now. And as you can see, this Shakepay actually covered this purchase for me. So I got free Tim Hortons, which is pretty cool. And not only did I get free Timmy's, I got free A&W another day, which is a free $8. I got free Timmy's here, $2, and a free Starbucks purchase. So I was really surprised when that happened. That was kind of cool. So it's a good way to earn free Bitcoin for purchases you're making anyways. And the 2% is really good. That's competitive with even regular credit cards. Now, after the rewards boost is done, it goes down to 1%, and then I'll see if I'm still going to use it. The daily limit is 3 grand. The monthly limit is 50 grand. And that's basically it for the Shakepay card and how it works. You just deposit Canadian dollars via e-transfer, and then you just start using your card, tapping it wherever you make your purchases. Now let's move on to the shaking sats, which is another way to earn free Bitcoin. So if we go right here, the shaking sats, you must be referred to the platform and sign up with a referral link. So I'll put one below if you want to earn free Bitcoin. So once you sign up with a referral link, you literally just shake your phone every day, every 24 hours, and you can build your streak and you earn free Bitcoin every single day. And the more days you go, the higher these rewards get. And as you can see, if we go all the way to the bottom of this list, the highest it goes is to 1,000 Satoshis per day after 200 days. And based on today's Bitcoin price, that's 50 cents per day. If we do 50 cents times 30 days, that's $15 a month you can earn in Bitcoin. So it's $15 a month for absolutely free, literally just shaking your phone, which takes 2 seconds a day. So those are the two ways you can earn free Bitcoin on Shakepay, which is really awesome. No other platform is really doing the shaking sats. And that's basically it for the Shakepay features. They don't offer a lot, but the things they do offer, I think, are really high quality. So my overall review, again, Shakepay only offers Bitcoin and Ethereum. So if you want lots of cryptocurrencies, I think the best options are these four right here, Newton and Endax. And then if you want to fund these accounts with crypto, Binance and KuCoin give you access to hundreds of other cryptocurrencies. You can buy with Canadian, but these are high fees. So if you deposit crypto, you actually get very low fees, lower fees than Newton and Endax. So I just buy crypto on Newton and then send it to Binance or KuCoin. That's the combo that I use. And if you just want the cheapest places to buy crypto, again, these will be cheaper than Shakepay. But the reasons that you should use Shakepay is for the simplicity. It's the easiest platform for beginners. Another reason is to earn free Bitcoin on the card. And then the other way to earn Bitcoin is through the shaking sats, which you can do daily. I'll put a link to everything I mentioned in this video below, including this page where you can compare all these crypto exchanges yourself. This will have the most up-to-date info because crypto changes fast. Let me know if you have any questions, if there's anything I missed, and if you want any other tutorials in the crypto space, just leave a comment below. Drop a like if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.